Hey there, kitchen crew, and welcome back to the Sawdust Kitchen. My name's John, and I'm here with Not Your Average Woodworks. So for this week's build, I did something a little different. For me, that is. I took the same footprint and decided to make 3 different projects out of it. They're the same style, the same size, just 3 slightly different variations on the same theme. Will it work? I'm not sure, but I guess that's just a risk I'll have to take. See what I did there? Great. Now let's get to the build, shall we? For today's build, we're going to have 3 separate boards. I'm going with fence pickets for more of a rustic style, kind of a rustic, farmhouse feel. I'm going with a simple pine, just for just a little bit of a glow up. It just looks better when it comes to the height of the project that I'm doing. And then I have this piece of mahogany that is going to turn out really well. So the first thing that we're going to do is get my tape measure. The first thing that we're going to do is that we're going to measure out each board to 11 3/4.
No, you messed it up. You're stupid.
So then what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to take this over to your bandsaw or your circular saw if you can. If you don't have a bandsaw, find the right where you want to cut it off at, and I think that will do me right there just fine. And now it's time for everybody's favorite part of the build, the never-ending sanding. And what do we do when we sand? We never forget our PPE. So give me just a moment. I think I just might have taken this just a little bit too far. Give me one moment. There, that's better. Okay, and now that we've gotten our actual PPE on, let's get on to the sanding. And now, it's time for every chef's favorite part, fire. I got a little bit. So thank you for joining me on my journey today. It's been a pleasure having you guys with me. And I can't wait until next time till we can see what's cooking up in the old Sawdust kitchen. You guys have a great day.
So when I get paid next, I'm going to get on Walmart and ship them some socks and underwear because they need that right now.
Okay. Are they understanding like what they messed up on?
I'm not bringing that up right now. I'm just
Okay,
talking to them.
I get it.
So the nephew that was living with them at mom's moved out.
Okay.
So
You know all the cameras are rolling right now. It's okay, I can edit it out. It's no big deal. Or I'll just leave it in. I'll just leave it in that, because, sorry guys, like just sometimes, like my family just likes to bother me when I'm trying to film. So, everybody say hi to my sister.
Hi.
Yeah. So anyway, let me finish with her and I'll get back to you guys in just a moment.
Are you live?
Huh?
Are you live?
No, I'm not live.
Okay.
That's why I said I'll edit this out.
Okay. So
Not that part. I'm going to leave that in. They'll find that fucking funny.